Hi, so welcome back. Once again, we're going to perform a little test on the audio quality, the sound quality of the speakers of the Model 3 Standard Range 2021. You will hear the same song without the Hansshow Do-It-Yourself Kit where activates these 4 other speakers, and I will be playing it from a USB stick. It's a WAV file, so there's no compression on it, and with the Hansshow kit. So yes, again, I will be using Sennheiser Ambio headset that records 360 degrees 3D surroundings, so you will be able to hear pretty much exactly what I hear. Let's see how it goes. So the tones, audio settings are pretty much on 0. Balance is in the middle. Okay, tone 0. The immersive sound is on. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy this song. I know these guys, and please give a thumbs up if you like the song. I definitely love it. And yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so that's pretty much for now. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your patience, and keep watching, and thanks for watching, and thanks for your patience. Bye.